guys, today we are making the number 2 video of, I don't know what it's called yet, but let's do a secret handshake. So we go like this, then bang, bang, swoop, swoop, and then let's do it in 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heart. Did it. Then I made a new thing at the end. Bling!
Samuel Dane!
So,
Get down here!
they're still stuck. So, he found a way. He had tools in the back. The dad did. So he fixed the tires and checked if that worked. Yes, it did work. So, we finally got home. I see our house. Up there, guys, so far. And I see ya in the dark. I see you finally. And I found you in the car. That I found you in the dark. In my way. Sweet home, it's glad to be home. Boom, boom, ba-da-bum, ba-da-dum. Honey! Yes. Why did you play that song again? I'm sorry. Inside out. In the pocket you go. You're going outside again into the trash. See? What do you want to do? I don't know. Baby, in the world, in the road, so far, no clouds. Maybe I get your sci-fi way in your heart. Finally getting your back. Yeah, finally get it. Somebody could never be in love. Guys, so yeah. Let's get out of here. Bro, can you stop? We have something. Okay. What the heck? Like you and the world. Oh, like you and scream like you. I'm never gonna scream like you because you're hot chocolate. Hey baby, I love you so. Kids, come in the front yard. The world in the car, waiting. How far home that is. gosh, Mom, thank you. You're welcome. Oh my gosh, Miss Bass. Miss Bass, thank you. You're welcome. This hot chocolate is good. Okay, guys, that is the end of the video. Hope you liked it, and like and subscribe. Let's do a secret handshake. You know what to do. Heart, ding, ding, swoop, swoop, and remember to do it. Like and subscribe. Bye. See you again. Star Shadow Drive.